Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today in this class, please make a note the exercises for the human environment, interactions, tropical and subtropical regions. Look at the board here. First, answer the following questions. First one is answer the following questions. Number one, name the continent in which Amazon basin is located. Write down C. First question is name the continent which the Amazon basin is located. Write down please. Children, all of you, those who are sitting at the back, take your books and take down. Name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. Number two, second one, in which what are the crops grown by the people of Amazon basin? Question mark here. Amazon basin. What are the crops? What are the crops grown by the people of Amazon basin? Children, those who are sitting at the back, pull up your socks. What are the crops grown by the people of Amazon basin? Third question is name the birds. Name the birds that you are likely. Name the birds that you are likely to find the rainforest of Amazon. Name the birds likely you found in the rainforest of Amazon basin. Name the birds that you are likely to find in the rainforest of Amazon. The fourth question is, what are the major cities located on the river Ganga? What are the major cities? What are the major cities located near Ganga? Located on the river Ganga, or the name of the cities located on the Ganga river. Fifth question is, where is the one-horned rhinoceros found? 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 Children, these are the 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down and please make a notes so that it is easy to prepare for your examinations. Next, come to second one. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. They have given 4 multiple choice, 3 multiple choice, 3 multiple choice. So right one you have to tick. Not 4, here they have given 3 right options. So correct ones you have to tick the as per the statement. Tick the correct answers. Write down, children. Number 1. Toucans are the type of Toucans. Toucans are the type of birds, animals, and crops. CROPS. This is CROPS, crops. Toucans are the or the type of words. It is a bird, animal, or crops. Elephants is a type of Second one, monoic is the staple food of Ganga Basin, Africa, Amazon Basin. So money point is the staple food of Ganga Basin, Africa, and Amazon. Staple food of what is that is Amazon. Next come to third one. Calcutta is located on the river. Calcutta is one of the familiar city in India, the capital of West Bengal. Calcutta is the capital of West Bengal. It is also a densely populated state. One of the densely populated states in India is West Bengal. West Bengal, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. These are the densely populated states in India. So here Calcutta is located on the river Orange, Hooghly, Bhagirathi. Yes, children? Yes. Calcutta is located on the river Hooghly Basin. Calcutta is located on the river Hooghly. It is West Bengal. Come to next one is food. Bengal tiger found in Next one is the Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is found in mountains, delta regions, and Amazon basin. Bengal tiger. I mean to say royal tigers. Use the royal tigers. Bengal tigers found in delta regions, not mountains, not delta region and Amazon. This is pick the correct answers. They given 4, total given 5. So write down all these 4 and choose the right ones. Choose the right ones. Clear? And third one, come to the match the following. Third one, come to the match the following. They are given group A and group B. This side you take down. Match the following. See. Number 1, cotton textiles. Write down group A side. Number 1 is cotton textile. Number 2, Maloka. Number 3, Piranha. Number 3, Piranha. P-I-R-A-N-H-A. Piranha. 4, silkworm. Fourth one is silkworm. S-I-L-A-W-A-R-M. Silkworm. And fifth one is Kaziranga, the national park. Kaziranga, it is in Assam. Kaziranga national park is Assam. Manas also Assam. Kaziranga national park is in where it is? In Assam. So, cotton textiles, Malacco, Piranha, silkworm, Kaziranga. Clear? And this side you write down. B side, A, B, C, D, E. First one write down A, Assam. A-S-S-A-M, Assam. B, write down sericulture. B, write down sericulture. Sericulture. C, slanting roof. See, write down slanting. SLANTING. Slanting roof. ROOF. Slanting roof. SLANTING. Slanting roof. And fourth one is Ganga Plain. That is D. D is Ganga Plain. Ganga Plain. D is Ganga Plain. GANGA. Ganga Plain. Last one is fish. Last one is fish. Children, once again see this side, B group side. A. Assam, Silviculture, Slanting Roof, Ganga Plain, and fish. The message for it. Yeah, you know cotton textiles where cotton textile where that is Ganga Plain. Malacco is a fish. Pirinhanga, silkworm, silviculture. Hajaranga, Assam. Piranga is a slanting roof. Right? This is the magic for it. So there are three type of exercises here. Number one is question answers. That is here. You see, 1 to 5. Second one is pick the correct answers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, that is match the following. Here, cotton textiles, Maloka, Piranha, silkworm, and Hajaranga. Children, write down B group side. A. Assam, B. Silviculture, C. Slanting roof, D. Ganga Plain, and E. Fish. E is a fish. This is the exercise. Please try to write the answers. If you find any difficulty, I will help you. You call me, otherwise put in the WhatsApp. I'll give the answers. If you have any doubt, if you are writing, fine. But it is your duty to maintain the notes. Once the school reopens, I will check all the homework book. Because it is necessary. Every student has to maintain homework book, all the subjects, irrespective of any subject. So that the preparation of examinations becomes very easy. During the examination time, it will be very easy to prepare. It is easy to just refer your notebook, the main headings, whatever, and that helps a lot. The moment you see question, you will get the answer. But that one has to be very sharp. That means you have to keep on doing the regular work. It is very, very essential. Clear? Written, children? If you written this, with this topic is over. That is human interactions, human environment interactions, tropical and subtropical regions. So next class, I mean to say next week, that is 5 to 10, we'll go ahead with the next topic, chapter number 8. We have last two topics, 8 and 9. Clear? Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.